Hello, ladies and gentlemen. And today, I'm going to share with you another interesting topic, which is how to speed up the performance of Windows 10 for free without using any software. Whenever your Windows runs slowly, you can refer to the following ways. 1. Check Windows updates. Windows Update checks to update Windows patches as well as to update computer drivers. To check the computer's update, from the Windows icon, you select Settings, then click Update and Security, then select Windows Update. You click Check for Update to update the computer. If the computer shows a blue tick, it has been updated. 2. Disable some Windows visual effects. The sharp visual effect will make you look better when you use it, but this is also one reason why your computer is slower. How to disable the visual effect? From File Explorer, you right-click on this PC, then select Properties. Here, you select Advanced System Settings. In this window, you select the setting of the performance item. At full default, the computer will let Windows choose what's best for my computer. You can select all or unselect all the items, but you should select Custom, then tick Select 3 items as you have chosen, because if you unselect all, the screen on the computer will be broken. When the tick is selected, select Apply and then select OK. 3. Virtual RAM set. If your RAM is low when you open multiple applications that cause the RAM to lag the machine, then setting more virtual RAM is a way to speed up the computer. To set virtual RAM, you also select the Advanced option in the Performance option and then select the Change item. Here is what we have set, and if you have not set it, you need to remove the tick, select Automatically Manage, then select Custom Size. You should choose virtual RAM with real RAM capacity. 4 GB of RAM should be set to 4096 because 1 GB is 1024 megabytes. Select the capacity, select the set to create the virtual RAM, then select OK. If you don't want to create a virtual RAM anymore, select a full page file and then select OK. I'm not going to create a virtual RAM. 4. Reduce computer boot time. To reduce the boot time of your computer to the setting of Startup and Recovery, here you adjust the time down to 4 to 5 seconds, its default is 30, and the System Failure option is unchecked, automatically restarted, and selected as none. Then select OK. 5. Next, disable the underlying applications. Because the wrong applications will consume your RAM, you should turn it off. To speed up the processing of the machine, to turn it off from the Windows icon, you select Setting, then select Privacy. Here, you go to the background app and click Select. You can turn off all applications by selecting Off, letting apps run in the background, or selecting each application that is unnecessary or rarely using Select to turn it off. That's how to shut down underground applications. 6. Disable bootable programs with Windows. Disabling boot programs with Windows will make your computer start faster. You right-click any location on the taskbar, then select Task Manager. The Task Manager window pops up. If it's the first time you choose More Details, then you choose to Start. If you have the Status app with the word enabled, it will start with the same windows. You select the application that you do not want to start, and then choose Disable. It's the same with other applications. 7. Power option, high efficiency. Windows allows you to choose the power supply option that suits your needs. If you're charging, the high performance option will make your computer run faster, more power efficient than the battery saving mode. To open the power option, you choose in Setting. Here you select System. Then you find Power and Sleep. Then select Additional Power Setting. In this power option, you choose High Performance to Power option, High Performance. 8. Uninstall unnecessary applications. To remove unnecessary applications from the Windows icon, you select Settings and then select the app. You will see the apps installed on your machine. To remove them, right-click on the app and choose Uninstall. Similar to other apps and applications. 9. Turn off the DAM antivirus for Windows. From the Windows wall, select the Settings, then select Update and Security. Here, you select Windows Security and continue to select Virus and Threat Protection. In the Virus and Threat Protection window, you select Manage Settings of the Virus and Threat Protection Settings item, then choose Off for all the items here, and then the virus browser of Windows will be turned off. 10. Disable Windows Firewall. From the Windows drive, you enter the word Control, then click the Control panel. You select the view by selecting the large icon to change the interface. In this interface, you choose the Windows Defender Firewall. To turn off the firewall, you choose to turn the Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and then click Select the Turn Off Windows Defender Firewall of both, then select OK, and the firewall is turned off. 11. Cleaning up your computer's C drive. From this PC, you drive C or the installation window. Right-click on Properties, then click on Disk Cleanup. A new window appears. You select all items, then select Cleanup System Files. The machine scans the files, then you tap Select All Films and then select OK. There is a message asking you to delete all files. You select Delete Files, wait for the cleaner, and delete. The Windows installation drive has been cleaned. Increases the free capacity of the drive. 12. Upgrade and replace the usual HDD with an SSD. Nowadays, hard drive technology has changed a lot. The use of SSD hard drives will speed up the computer. The data retrieval speed of the SSD is a lot faster than the HDD, so Windows 10 on your computer feels much faster. To check if your hard drive is SSD or HDD, you choose the drive and then select the properties. Here, you select the tool, then choose Optimize. If your drive is part of it, then it is the hard drive. 13. Increase network speed. Network speed is also a factor that directly affects Windows performance. You can improve your network speed by change the bandwidth limit. You press the Windows plus R key combination to show the Run dialog, then type the gbedite.msc line and select OK. Here, select Administrative Templates, then select Network. Find and select QoS Packet Scheduler. Select Limit Reserve Bandwidth. Click Double, select Enabled, in the bandwidth limit, %, type 0, and select Apply. Press OK to complete. 14. Change the DNS server address. You click on the network connection icon, which may be wireless or wired, and then select Network and Sharing Center. Select Network and Share Center in Advanced Network Settings. Then right-click on the Ethernet or Wi-Fi icon you are using and select Properties. Then double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and select Properties. Here you tick on using the following DNS server addresses. In the upper row, you enter 8888, in the lower row, you enter 8844 and select OK. It'll speed up the network. 15. Disable Cortana Virtual Assistant. The Cortana Virtual Assistant helps you command your computer by voice. If you feel Cortana isn't useful to you, you can turn it off to save more computer resources. Step 1. You press the Windows plus R key combination to show the Run dialog, enter the gbedite.msc line, and then select OK. Step 2. Select Administrative Templates, and then select Windows Components. Step 3, select Search and double-click on Allow Cortana. Step 4, select Disabled, select Apply, and finally select OK to complete. Delete temporary files. You press the Windows plus R key combination to show the Run dialog and type %temp%, then select OK, a window containing many temporary files. You select all, then delete, and choose Skip to continue. Next you also press the Windows plus R key combination to show the Run dialog and enter the prefetch line, then select OK, select Continue to continue, the same way you select all and delete it. So the temporary files have been deleted. There are ways to speed up your computer, make your computer run smoother, and reduce delays. If you like to share and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos, please wait and see you again.